Enabling 3D Secure on Stripe is an important step for enhancing the security of online transactions. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Access your Stripe dashboard by logging in with your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option in the left-hand menu. Click on it, then find and select Payment Methods to access the settings related to payment processing. Step 3. Enable 3D Secure. In the Payment Methods section, look for the option to enable 3D Secure. Toggle the switch to activate it. This feature may be listed under card payments or similar categories depending on your account setup. Step 4. Configure additional settings. After enabling 3D Secure, review any additional settings that may be available. This could include customizing the authentication flow or setting rules for when 3D Secure should be triggered. Step 5. Test the implementation. Conduct test transactions to ensure that 3D Secure is functioning as intended. Use test card numbers provided by Stripe to simulate transactions and verify that the 3D Secure prompts appear correctly. By following these steps, you can successfully enable 3D Secure on your Stripe account, enhancing the security of your online transactions. Remember to keep your payment settings updated as Stripe may introduce new features or changes over time.